I think it's pronounced Xodo. My personal favorite. I use it on desktop and also on my smartphone. The first page of your Form I should look like this. You sign here at the bottom, the Declaration by Taxpayer box. You select this edit looking button, then the signature icon. Click on Create New, and ta-da! You can either upload a picture of your signature or draw it here using your mouse or just your finger or smart pen if you have a smart screen. I type the date in by clicking on that letter T, click back on the date section and just type it in. And that's all. Hey, I am Vanessa Gaeta, an online financial educator for ambitious small business owners in PNG.